Today I'm going to show you how to hide variation of product and variation visibility for WooCommerce. This is incredibly useful when you want to control which product variations are displayed to your customers, helping you manage inventory visibility or create more streamlined shopping experiences. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. This will give you access to your WordPress dashboard, where we'll be working with WooCommerce settings. Once you're logged in, the next step is to install the plugin that will enable this functionality. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. When you click it, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, select Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugin library where you can browse and install new features for your WooCommerce store. You'll now see the plugins page displaying all available plugins you can add to your WooCommerce account. At the top of this page, locate the search bar, type in Variations Visibility, and press Enter. From the search results, look for a plugin called Products and Variations Visibility for WooCommerce. Before installing, click on More Details to see an overview of the plugin. This helps you understand its features and functions before committing to the installation. Once you're comfortable with what it offers, click Install Now. The installation might take a few moments, so be patient while WordPress downloads and sets up the plugin. Once the installation completes, you'll see the button change. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Now that the plugin is activated, look back at the left navigation menu. You should see a new option labeled One Team Software. This represents the plugin we just installed. Click on it, and from the submenu that appears, select Products and Variations Visibility. This will direct you to the general settings page for the plugin, where you can configure all the visibility rules. To create a rule for hiding product variations, look at the top portion of your screen and click on Rules. This section is where you'll manage all your visibility conditions. Now click on Add Rule to start creating your first variation rule. The first thing you need to do is click the Enabled checkbox. This ensures your rule will be active once saved. Next, set a priority number for this rule. Priority determines which rule takes precedence if you have multiple rules affecting the same products. After that, give your rule a clear descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Visibility when conditions have matched. Here you'll see a drop-down menu for variation visibility. Click on it, and from the options presented, choose Hidden. This tells WooCommerce that when your conditions are met, the selected variations should not be displayed to customers. Now scroll down further until you reach the Conditions tab. Under this section, you'll find a field for products. Click on this field, and you'll be able to select the specific products whose variations you want to hide. Do note that you can select multiple products if you want to apply the same visibility rule across different items in your store. Simply click on each product you wish to include in this rule. Once you've selected all the necessary products, scroll to the very bottom of the page. Here you'll find the Save Changes button. Click it to finalize and activate your rule. This rule now successfully hides product variations on the selected products you've added, giving you precise control over what your customers see. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.